Hi, my name is Brittany. I'm a rising senior at Schreiber High School, and for my starter project I built the light organ, which lights up LEDs in an exploding star pattern based on the beat of music. How it does this is the microphone has a variance capacitor in it, which sends small varying signals to the rest of the circuit, and this capacitor will filter out the DC current, leaving the AC current. How it works is the microphone is a variance capacitor, which will send small varying signals to the rest of the circuit. This capacitor here will filter out the DC current, leaving only the noise, which is transmitted by the alternate current. These transistors here will amplify the current so that these changes will be significant enough to affect the rest of the circuit. The potentiometers are used to fine-tune the circuit, the resistance of the circuit, and the rest of the resistors are used to monitor the current and voltage so that, for example, the LEDs don't burn out with too much voltage. The capacitor right here, right before the 555 IC chip, is used as a timing device since it takes a certain amount of time for it to receive, store, and release energy. As the pulses of energy enter the 555 IC chip, it activates a timer, which will, and as they are released, they go to the 4017 IC chip, and each pulse increments a counter, which will change the output pin, which activates different parts of the circuit. The transistors here are used as switches to activate the different subsets of the LEDs, making them light up in the pattern. The issue I had with building my circuit was I hadn't realized there were multiple types of transistors, so I just soldered them all on. And then I realized when I plugged in the battery, the lights were only lighting up in a single predictable pattern, not based on external noise. So I had to go back and I figured out that I had switched an NPN and PNP resistor. So I had to desolder and resolder them in the right spots.